What's up, guys? So it's Tariq here and welcome to my channel, guys. So in today's video we're going to talk about AMC stock. So AMC stock has been going crazy. Right now as I'm uploading this video, it's basically trading over $40 now. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about some of the reasons why I personally am holding AMC stock and one of the reasons why I'm not really selling. So to kind of give you guys a quick background on AMC, it's the largest theater chain in the world. It has over 50,000 employees, both part-time and full-time. And this company has been attacked by the short sellers like crazy. They've basically made the price of the stock basically crash. Basically up until like December of 2020, when a lot of people started talking about this on social media, we saw the epic short squeeze that we saw in January. So this is when, Robinhood and all the brokers wouldn't allow you to buy shares because their hedge fund buddies were losing billions. So now, fast forward to, June, this is exactly what's happening again, okay? But what's different now is that a lot of people are kind of aware, and this is round two. So round one happened in January, now round two is happening now. A lot of people are really holding. So I think in the past, a lot of people took the quick profit when AMC went to 20, and they just dumped it. But now it's a little bit different, okay? The short interest, while the total short volume is declining on AMC, the people are still shorting these shares. And you've had a lot of other big YouTubers come out and make videos talking about how they're going all in on AMC or they're buying more of the stock. So me personally, like I said, I'm holding my AMC stock for the long run. So I'm not going all in personally, but I have enough money in AMC stock where I'm pretty comfortable, even if it goes to zero, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do not, invest money that you can't afford to lose because, anything could happen, guys, okay? Management could change. They could dilute the stock even further, but things are looking good so far, and the CEO says that they're going to have enough money to go 2021 and 2022 without facing a bankruptcy or anything like that. So, what is the move now? Where is AMC stock going? Well, I have a personal price target of $120. Now, I know that a lot of people are saying, oh, but don't do price targets. But, from a fundamental standpoint, I'm looking at AMC stock. I'm thinking, okay, to me, it's about $120. So I did this really easily. I simply took the previous full year revenue pre-pandemic, okay? They're doing about $5 billion a year in revenue. And then I assume that, with theaters closed for over a year, a lot of people are really missing watching these big movie premieres in movie theaters and going to be rushing back. So I assume that they'll be able to at least reach that similar revenue level. And then I took the price to sales ratio of a company like Disney. That's where I came up with around $120 share price, something like that. That seems like a decent projection for perhaps by the end of the summer or maybe even by the end of this year. But it's just really crazy what's happening on Wall Street right now. A lot of people are really aware of the manipulation and things like that. And I think this is more than obviously a great buying opportunity. Obviously, I think AMC stock could be potentially overvalued right now. But, there's a lot of things that AMC can do to really transform their business and improve things. So I'm hoping that they'll make those changes and things will get better. And a lot of people that haven't been to the movie theaters will kind of go back and support them. And the fact that we recently had this hedge fund, Mudrick Capital, they simply were issued 8.5 million shares and they dumped those shares for a quick profit. They bought it 27, they sold it 32. Those 8.5 million shares got distributed around, and a lot of people that bought them will not sell them. So that's a lot of bullish momentum for this stock, guys. So I'm really excited about AMC stock. I really think we could see triple digits, but I would say if you can afford the hold, like I said, this is what I'm personally doing, okay? I'm not telling you what to do, but me personally, since I don't really need the money, I like staying in the game because I bought in February at around $6. I bought it around $6.28, okay? So for me, I believe in holding as long as possible. Obviously, you don't want to get greedy. If you're up a ton, it's okay to take some money off the profit. And a lot of people might disagree with me, but hey, a lot of people, can't really afford not to take profits if you have bills or back due rent or whatever your financial situation is, okay? But what I would say is try to have some skin in the game. If you don't need the money, there's a couple of ways that you can generate money without selling your shares. If you have at least 100 shares, you can sell covered calls, okay? Covered calls is really simple. Basically, you sell someone the right to buy the shares from you at a future price and you get to pocket that premium, okay? The second thing you could do is you could simply apply for margin. So if you just need a little bit of money, and this is probably something I should have looked into more so, you can simply go to your broker and say, hey, $5,000-$10,000 worth of stock, try to borrow $2,000-$4,000. You can kind of use that money to pay off your bills until your next paycheck comes in, and that way you can hang on to your shares. And the third thing you can do is you can simply just lower your cost of living. Okay, if you don't want to take profits on your AMC, get a roommate, move to a cheaper apartment, stop eating out. There's lots of things that you can lifestyle, changes that you can make that you won't have to sell your shares, because we could see $120, and that would be 3x where we are at currently, according to the pre-market share price. So I hope this guys is helpful, guys. And I would say, like I said with the stock market, I like talking about a lot about crypto on this channel, but I think I'm going to talk a little bit more about stocks as well, because it seems to be trending right now. So I think AMC is definitely the top overall play based on volume and opportunity. I would just say, look, like if you're going to buy, try to buy in at a dip. Don't try to buy the stock when it's like the price is running so high. Really try to get in at a good price at a dip, so you're not chasing, you're not chasing the momentum. You're getting in when it's not as popular. And then when to sell, for me personally, my favorite holding period is I don't sell if I can hold on as long as possible, because with each day things are going to get better and better in terms of the pandemic, and more people are going to be willing to go to the movie theaters. So that's just my opinion, guys. I'd be really interested to know what you guys see. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you got AMC? Are you up big? Are you going to sell? Are you buying more? Are you going all in? I'd really like to know your thoughts. So, and like I said, if you guys enjoy these videos and want me to make more videos of kind of what I'm doing personally in terms of trading and stuff like that with my crypto and my stock positions, just give me a thumbs up and smash the red subscribe button. This is going to be an epic summer for me in stocks. I think we're going to see massive gains. So things probably will cool off in the fall. So if you're thinking about getting in meme stocks for the first time, I would say from June to August is probably going to be the bulk of the trading activity. So this is a nice time to get in. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.